Hey,
Scorpio.
what's up mga ka-amins ko? Let's do a reading for you mga Scorpio, Sun, Moon, and Rising para sa taong ito ng 2026. Okay? So, I'm doing this exactly full moon. Okay? January 4 para sa inyo ngayong taong ito. Let's do this, guys. And make sure you follow this. Okay? Follow me if you haven't. Um, more shuffles, please. Share this to anyone. Okay? King of Diamond, this is your year for success, being complimented, acknowledged, or putting yourself into a role. Siguradong sa mga susunod na buwan, pwedeng kaharap ninyo ang inyong mga amo, boss, or ang mga executive um, rank officials of your company or industry na kabilang ka. Definitely, there's a big personality in your life. Pwede ikaw or another person, okay? So, very prominent yung professionalism mo, lalo na sa career or sa trabaho. Hahangaan ka sa industriyang kabilang ka. At very, very important or significant yung theme ng trabaho, katayuan, promotion, um, being very, very successful this time, or ibang lahi. Okay, if you're dealing with foreigners, definitely isang malaking factor or bagay din yun, okay? For a part, now let's talk about your love story. So, pwedeng ang ilan sa inyo ay makisalamuha or magkaroon ng love story kung wala pang kasi karelasyon o hindi pa committed, then your love story will start in a very work-like environment or transactional or interacting with a boss, interacting with an executive or official or authority. Okay? Now, if you're already in a relationship, you will be very successful this year with your love partner or mas tahimik yung love life ninyo. Ngayon ka lang makakaranas ng pwedeng promote or umakyat sa posisyon na higit pa sa inaasahan mo, na pati ang pag-ibig ay happy, ang love life ay tahimik, hindi masyadong madrama. Okay? Scorpio Sun Moon Rising, is this a good year for everybody? Well, majority of karamihan sa inyo ay magiging happy at successful this year, pero maraming plot twist or kwento na pwede mangyari sa inyo. Okay? So, Jack of Spades. Dahil daw sa lahat ng pagdidisiplina, sakripisyo at paninindigan ba noong mga nakaraang taon, ngayon mo aanihin yung prutas ng iyong mga pinagtaniman. Lalim, di ba? Fruits of your labor. Okay? Three of Spades, especially if last year nagkaroon ka ng limitations and boundaries, guarantee you, better itong taong to para sa'yo. Or kung nagkaroon na ng problema at mga pinagdaanan hindi magaganda nitong nakaraang taong 2025, please be careful because it will happen again, pero may choice ka, may option ka to make it better or to put limitations or boundaries, lalo na sa mga problema pinagdaanan mo nung nakaraan. Kung nararamdaman mo ulit-ulit, then be careful, be aware, be prepared, and make the right decisions na ngayon. Okay? Seven Spade, dahil kapag ginababayaan mo, naging complacent ka or kampante ka lang sa isang sitwasyon, then it can create a crisis in your life na mahirap agad-agad makalabas. Okay? So, if you're a Scorpio that's dealing with financial stability or wanting to have a financial stability, pwede mo itong makamtan kung klaro ka rin sa first quarter ng taon, kung sigurado ka na rin kung anong gusto mo, kung intentionally malinaw na sa'yo kung anong mga bagay na hindi mo lang gusto, kundi alam mo in reality can make it happen by your efforts, at the same time your faith. Yung faith naman ang higit na gagawa ng mga bagay na sobra sa inaasahan mo. Okay? 100% that will complete the project, the passion project that you have right now. If you are in a transactions or agreement, pwedeng kompleto na yun ngayon, lalo na sa third quarter ng taon. And love story, Scorpio Sun Rising, kahit na sabihin na natin, aware ka Nasabi ko na ikaw ay magiging masaya, pero andun pa rin yung punong-puno ng pagduda dahil alam mo naman ang mga Scorpio, hindi ito sanay sa kontento or satisfying or chill na personal relationship or pamumuhay. May paminsan-minsan pa rin mga pagdududa, pag-aalinlangan, hindi mawala-wala yung trust issues. So itong trust issues na to will make you feel refreshing or different or bago sa pandinig, bago sa pakiramdam mo, mas kalmado or kampanting mga moments mo this year. There's a possibility of unexpected pregnancy or unexpected children or child within this year, or unexpected progress of your projects within this year, pero ikatutuwa mo, ikikilig mo, ikasasaya mo. Okay? Now, let's use my tarot cards. Na-shuffle ko na ito. Na-shuffle ko lang ulit. So, Four of Pentacles. Wow, Four of Diamond. Ganun na Four of Pentacles. If you want to secure life within this year, guarantee, yes. May mga opportunities, may resources, may mga tao. If you have a boss that's very generous, you can really get attention or help from them. Authorities will support you as well. Rules and regulations will be on your side, policies. Scorpio women, majority sa inyo ay magiging parang feeling not so good about themselves, stress or insecure, but I would highly recommend for you to just enjoy and go with the flow. Or you need to speak with a specialist, a professional psychologist and psychiatrist if you need to, especially for your mental health and emotional status, or you can speak to anyone like me. Okay? Next, yes, celebrate life. You have reasons to celebrate this year. Celebration of family, celebration of career, and alam mo ba na ang mga selebrasyon na magaganap mo ngayong taon to, kahit hindi ganun ka-perfect, it will be the trajectory of your life for the next 10 to 20 years. So if you're gonna have a child right now, guarantee you'll be a parent na very serious and committed for the longest period of time. If you're going to have a career or business, pangmatagalan din ang epekto ito sa buhay mo. So, let's get cards from my Oracle card deck. Ang mensahe naman ito para sa'yo, be grateful, gratitude with grace, being happy, it will expand the things that you have already. Kapag masaya ka, grateful, siguradong lalago at dadami pa ito. Makaka-influence ka pa ng ibang tao, nakaka-inspire ka pa ng iba. Biro, may mga bagay ka pa rin na hindi mo pa nakikita na mas malawak. You haven't seen the big picture yet, yun ang ibig sabihin ito. Next, miracles, lalo na ang mga milagro na may experience mo this year. Wow! Especially with the abundance that's on your side right now. Within this year, my goodness, prosperity will be poured into your life. At ang mensahe naman ng aking tatay, let's take the present into part from my sticks na gamit pa niyo noon. Naku. Please, Scorpio, take care of your body, especially if you want to fall in love, or pwedeng pag na-in-love ka, body ang dahilan, unang dahilan para ito ay magkaroon ng long distance love affair, love connection, or LDR. Wow. Okay. Those who are single, Now, if you are a wife, this new year will start toxicity for you. Sanay ka na ba dito sa toxicity na to? Well, at least focus ka raw sa iyong mga daughter, child, or children if you are wife or husband, because their intelligence will make you very, very proud, and their determination will definitely make you very happy. So, it will be rewarding, and it is a blessing for you. Lalo na in the midst of crisis, sa ngayon, ay handa ka na raw ma-broken or na-broken ka na. Pero this year, you will be on fire.